Tracy sells a fish for rupees 60 a kg. Florima sells prawn for rupees 150 a kg. Garuthama sells squid for rupees 50 a kg. And Minnie sells sardines at rupees 40 a kg. So question is, at what price per kg did Fazila sell the kingfish? So Fazila sells 8 kgs of fish at rupees 1200. So we have to find out the price of 1 kg of fish. So price of 1 kgs of kingfish so is equal to 1200 divided by 8. So on dividing 1200 with 8, 8 ones are 8. On subtracting 4, 0 comes down. 8 fives are 40. On subtracting 0, this 0 comes down and 8 zeros are 0. So this is price of 1 kg of fish is 150 rupees.